Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Speaking Show. Let me ask you something. Do you ever try small talk in English, but you don't know how to start, what to say next, or how to stop the silence from getting awkward?
Ella, what is this? Small talk?
Jake, small talk is short, friendly conversation with people you don't know well. It can happen anywhere, at work, in parks, or in cafe. Just simple talking.
Oh, yes. That. Yes, this happens to me very often. I meet someone new and I want to be friendly, but I don't know how to start. Then I say, "Hi." I don't know what to say next. I feel nervous, and I just smile like a robot. I don't know how to end politely. I want small talk to feel easy, but right now, it feels hard.
Don't worry. Today, we will make small talk easy in English. You will learn 3 things: how to start, what to say next, and how to end politely.
Great, because I get stuck after hi.
Friends, stay with us to master small talk. Jake. So, you walk into the office kitchen. I'm making coffee.
Okay. Hi, Ella.
Hi, Jake.
How are you?
Good.
Uh, good. So, what do you do?
I work here.
Right. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes.
Nice. Do you like coffee?
Yes.
Me too. Now my brain is empty. Everything becomes good and yes.
And I feel like I'm answering a quiz.
Yes! I wanted a friendly chat, but it feels stiff. I want to talk, but I can't find the next line.
You're not boring. The questions are just too small.
So, what works better?
One simple change: stop trying to ask the perfect question. That perfect question idea is the trap.
Yeah, I keep searching in my head, and everything gets worse.
Exactly. When you try to sound perfect, you feel pressure and your words disappear.
So, small talk is not about sounding smart?
No, small talk is just a warm start. It's 1 or 2 easy lines to make the moment safe.
Safe?
Safe means relaxed. Nobody is tested, nobody is judged. You are simply being friendly.
So, the goal is comfort, not perfect English.
Right. If the other person feels comfortable, your English can be simple.
Okay, that feels lighter already. And if it's short, that's okay?
Yes, even a small hello is small talk. You don't need to be amazing. If this already feels lighter, give the video a like.
And subscribe to practice English like this every day. Even a small hello is small talk.
Now, in this room, what do you notice right now?
Uh, your coffee cup, your big headphones, and that clock ticking.
Great. Say one thing you see, like a friendly comment.
Your coffee cup is huge.
Nice. Add a tiny feeling.
That coffee looks strong.
Perfect. That sounds human. Try another.
Those headphones look new.
Yeah, I just bought them. See? Easy to answer.
Oh, if I ask, "Do you like your headphones?" you can only say yes or no.
Exactly. A comment gives me space. One more thing.
Your notebook has so many sticky notes.
It does. Today is busy.
It looks like a serious day.
It is, but your comment makes it lighter.
So I don't need a clever question. I can just use what I see.
Yes, the room helps you. People also feel noticed in a simple way.
And if I say something small, you don't feel tested.
Right. It feels like a real chat, not an interview.
Then talking feels easier for both.
And sometimes one sentence makes this even easier.
One sentence?
Listen, I bet that coffee is saving your morning.
Yes, that feels true. Wait, I bet that is like a friendly guess.
Exactly. It sounds natural, and it invites a story.
Okay. I bet that your headphones were expensive.
Not too expensive. But yes, I thought about it for a long time.
Oh, now you're talking more.
Right. Another one.
I bet that today is a busy day for you.
Yes, meetings all day.
I bet that you want a break.
Yes, please.
This is better than how are you because it feels warm.
And if I want, I can answer short or I can share more.
So I bet that helps the conversation move. But after that, I still get stuck. So I ask a yes no question.
That's a common problem. Try an open question with what or how. What do you like about your work?
What do you like about your work?
I like helping people, and I like planning our show.
That answer is easier to follow.
Yes, closed questions give short answers. Open questions start with what or how.
So, not, did you have a good weekend?
Right, say, what did you do for fun?
What did you do for fun?
I went for a walk and called my sister.
That feels much easier to continue.
Now choose time, past, present, or future.
Okay, past. What did you do this weekend?
I watched a movie and cooked pasta.
Present. What are you working on today?
This script, and my coffee is doing the hard work.
Future. What are you looking forward to this week?
A quiet evening and no more meetings.
So, what and how give people room to talk?
Yes, and you don't sound like you're interviewing them.
Perfect. No more one word answers.
Good. Now, one more thing.
What?
When I answer, don't jump to a new question too fast.
So, what do I do?
React first. Show a feeling. When I said a quiet evening, you can say, that sounds nice.
That sounds nice.
Then share a tiny thing about you.
That sounds nice. I also want a quiet evening today.
Perfect. Now it feels like a real chat.
So, react, then share?
Yes, react first, share a little. Try it with this. I said I watched a movie.
Oh, that sounds fun. I watched a movie too, an action movie.
Nice. And now I can follow you. What action movie?
See, now you're asking me.
Exactly. You are not carrying everything.
So it is. React first, share a little. That keeps it moving. But what if I still say something wrong?
I used to feel the same.
You really?
Yes. In my first week at work, we were talking about a report. I asked my teammate, did you finish it? Did you send it? Did you like working on it? He gave short answers, then went quiet. Later he said, Ella, it felt like an interview. Only then, I realized that my questions were stressful for him. The next day, I tried a different way. I said, that report looks big today. He said, yeah, it's taking longer than I expected. So I reacted. That sounds stressful. Then I shared, my morning is busy too. He relaxed and he started talking more. That's when I learned the goal is to make the other person comfortable, not perfect English.
True. Comfort comes first, not perfect English.
Jake, shall we practice now in 3 real situations? Office, kitchen, cafe, and elevator. What do you say?
Okay, I am ready for this.
Okay, picture this. Monday morning, office kitchen, coffee smell. Hi, Jake.
Hi, your coffee smells strong today.
It is. I needed it.
Same. I almost fell asleep at my desk.
I understand.
What are you working on this morning?
I report. Lots of small tasks.
That sounds busy. What part takes the most time?
The numbers, they take forever.
Oh, yes. Numbers are hard. My morning is emails, emails, and emails.
Too many emails.
Yeah. Okay, I won't keep you for long. Nice talking with you.
Same here. Have a good day.
Wow, that felt normal. And it took 10 seconds. If this feels helpful, like the video.
And subscribe because we practice real English, not textbook English. Now imagine a cafe. You're waiting in line. Hi.
Hi. I bet that pastry is really good.
It is. I come here for this.
That sounds like a good habit. Is it more sweet or more salty?
Sweet and a little warm.
Nice. I needed something calm today.
Nice.
What do you usually order here?
Coffee and this pastry.
Great choice. I ordered hot chocolate today.
Love it.
All right, enjoy. Nice talking with you.
You too. And now, last one is elevator. Short time. Very quiet. Hi.
Hi. That bag looks heavy.
It is. Laptop and books.
That sounds tough. My bag feels heavy today, too. What are you heading to now?
A meeting on the 3rd floor.
I bet that meeting is early.
Too early.
Morning meetings are hard. My brain wakes up late.
Same.
Okay, this is my floor. Have a good day.
You too.
Wow, 3 moments and no panic.
Because you stayed human.
I noticed something, I reacted, I shared a little, and I asked one good question. It felt good, but I still worry about ending the conversation.
That's normal. Small talk doesn't need a long ending. You can leave early. Just be kind and clear.
Okay, so can I say, nice talking with you. I need to get back to work.
Yes, perfect. Or, it was great to meet you. I'm going to grab my coffee.
Or, good chat. I have to take a call.
See? Short, polite, and relaxed.
No waiting, no stress. Before we finish, can we review some difficult words from today?
Yes, these words will help you use small talk more easily. First word is awkward.
Awkward.
Its pronunciation is a-quard.
Awkward.
Awkward means uncomfortable, when silence feels heavy. Example, the conversation felt awkward in the elevator.
What's the next word?
The next word is polite.
Polite.
Its pronunciation is polite.
Polite.
Polite means kind and respectful, especially when speaking or leaving. Example, nice talking with you is a polite way to end small talk.
Okay, next one.
This word is react.
React.
Its pronunciation is react.
React.
React means to show a feeling to what someone says. Example, saying, that sounds stressful, is a reaction.
What about this one? Relaxed.
Yes, the word is relaxed. Its pronunciation is relaxed.
Relaxed.
Relaxed means calm, not nervous. Example, after a few friendly lines, the talk felt relaxed.
And the last word?
The last word is interview.
Interview.
Its pronunciation is in-tr-view.
Interview.
Interview is for jobs, but too many questions can feel like an interview. Example, the conversation felt like an interview, not a chat.
These 5 words appear in real small talk. Try using one today. Ella, can we quickly recap what we learned today?
Sure. So, small talk is about comfort, not English.
And we notice the moment, react, share a little, and ask one question.
Then we end kindly. Dear viewers, one small exercise for you. Try one short conversation today.
Tell us in the comments where you tried it.
And do not forget to like the video. If you want to practice more in English, please subscribe our channel.
Keep speaking.
Keep smiling. Goodbye.
Goodbye.